Downtime, we have been doing a lot of gardening. Let me show you the things that we planted, that we're going to plant. We've been planting some garlic bulbs and putting them into the ground like usual by hand, having all the roots. And we've also been doing some garlic. When you see these, this is where the stalk comes off and then you break that
That's
off.
ginger, yes?
Yes, ginger.
So you already got one?
Yes. And you have to put it this way because that's where the roots come out and this is where the stem comes out. So we'll plant that.
Yeah, and what is
And we've also got some potato and some tomato. And we've also got some butterscotch.
you done before, now it
Yeah.
came out, yeah?
And we've got some pumpkin.
Yeah, it's bigger now.
Yeah.
What's this?
Aubergines.
So how we done it?
We buyed some seeds from the shop,
Okay.
planted in these cups,
Yeah.
and then just waited to go. We've watered them, these all.
Okay.
And we also got some radishes and there's a potato there.
So what
And
are those?
courgette.
What are those?
Radishes.
Radishes. So how you plant radishes?
So we put the seeds on here, and then we put them into the ground.
Okay.
And then
So you're gonna show how to do the plant?
planting a potato.
Okay, let's go.
You already plant some here, so let me.
Yeah. Trying it.
Okay, select. Okay, show me other potatoes.
These are the other potatoes that we planted. And there's also
Okay.
a wonky one. And some raspberries and some more potatoes and a
Okay.
tomato.
Let's go to that side. What else you done?
We've done some more planted of tomatoes and carrots right here.
Okay. Oh, the baby
And we've
carrots.
also got this carrot.
Yes, the baby plant. Okay.
And we've got some more spring onions here. And onion flowers. And coriander. And iceberg lettuce. And
Yeah.
we've also got some regular lettuce.
Yeah.
One there, one there. And then we've also got some corn all the way here.
Which one?
It's hard to tell really. It's this one. It's the one
Oh,
that's
it's
produced.
big now.
Yeah, it's producing water.
Yep.
And we've got
Go and show your strawberry plant.
the strawberry plants all the way over here.
Yeah.
My dad did this, hang this up with tape, ties. This will
Yeah.
grow into a big plant like this one over here.
Oh, it's the flowers. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pink flowers. We bought it from the shop some years ago. And we've got some apple plant, Great Kingsley pink apple.
No, pink lady.
Pink lady. And some
So
rumble
when you done
beans.
that, this one? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Okay.
And we've also got some lily plants here.
What are those?
Raspberries and some potatoes.
Some more potatoes and raspberries.
Yeah.
What's in here?
A grapevine, garden peas, and some more strawberry.
Okay.
So, bye.